Hi guys, welcome back. And in this quick and simple video guys, I will show you guys how you can format your hard disk or hard drive on your Hikvision DVR. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. So guys, now let me assume that your hard disk storage is full and you want to format it so that you can start recording events afresh. It's very simple. Just come on your mouse and right click on your mouse, come on this menu, tap on it. But before I start, let me go back to my playback and show you my recorded footage or clips. If I go on playback and select camera 1, for instance, if I come on the 8th of November and double click on it, you can see here was my yesterday's footage. And all these dates here, I have footages or clips that had been recorded. Now let me say I want to format the whole thing on my storage so that we have enough space to start recording the whole thing afresh. So just go into configuration here and tap on it. And on configuration here, you can see here record. Come here, tap on record. If you tap on record, you can see here storage. Tap on storage. If you tap on storage, then you can see here is the hard disk area. You can see here my free space here is 392 gig. You can see here, and here's my entire hard disk space. You can see right 465.77 gig. That is about 500 gig. Now to format my hard disk, I just come here and tick these two options here and come in this initialization or init and tap on it. And you can see here initialization will erase all data on HDD. Continue, just come here and tap on OK. Then it will ask for your password, your admin password. So come here and put the password, your login password. Tap OK. You can hear this beep sound. You can see it is actually initializing. You can see, right? Just wait for a bit where the whole thing clears up. Okay, you can see that now it has been cleared off. You can see that my space here, my free space here now is 450 gig instead of about 300 free space gig. You can see, right? So now if I go again on my playback and tap on it and select my camera 1 and come here on the 8th of November and tap on it, you can see no video is found because I've erased the whole data. So now, right now, my hard disk has been erased, formatted, and the whole thing will start to record afresh. You can see, right? If I come on live view, so right now, the whole footage, the whole recording will start from today afresh. So guys, that is it. Very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.